Exercise 10. Punjab Government instructions contained in circular letter number 41 dated the 18th April 1961 provide that the pay of an officer who is promoted to a higher post but does not fulfill the condition regarding the minimum number of years of service in the lower rank is to be fixed at the minimum of the grade of the higher post less the amount due for increments which have not been earned by the officer concerned in the lower grade for the period he is not short of the minimum prescribed. Full stop. These instructions further provide that the written consent of the promoted officer to receive a particular pay to be fixed according to the above formula should be obtained beforehand and a stipulation laid down in the promotion under which should not be passed in his favor if he is unwilling to give such consent. Full stop. Next para. Instances have, however, come to the notice of government where officers were promoted to the higher posts without obtaining written consent of the promotees to accept pay less than the minimum of the time scale or incorporating such a condition in the promotion order itself in contravention of the instructions referred to above. Full stop. As a result of this lapse, government is placed in a very awkward situation. Full stop. In order to avoid recurrence of such omissions in future, it has been decided that all the departmental rules in the state should be modified to bring them in conformity with the instructions dated 18th April 1961. Full stop. The financial commissioners, Punjab and administrative secretaries to government Punjab are therefore requested to take necessary steps to amend where necessary the service rules of the various departments under them accordingly under intimation to this department. Full stop. Next para. I am to request that in future the pay in the type of cases mentioned above may be suitably fixed below the minimum of the relevant scale according to the formula above. Full stop. All the pending cases should also be decided accordingly. Full stop. For the sake of uniformity, such cases of fixation of pay be channelized to finance department through chief secretary in the general services branch. Full stop. These instructions would be applicable to superior posts, for example those of director of or under secretary, deputy secretary level or deputy director level and above, not to ordinary ministerial posts and the like. Full stop. The receipt of this letter may please be acknowledged. Full stop. Thank you.